Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Venmo credit spending with Venmo app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Log into your account if prompted. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and choose Payment Methods. Here, you will see your connected bank accounts and cards. Tap on Credit Cards to view your credit spending. Locate and select the credit card you want to back up. Take a screenshot of this screen for your records. Return to the main page and navigate to Transactions. Scroll through your transaction history to find payments made with your credit card. You can tap on any transaction to view more details. Take screenshots of important transactions for your reference. To export your transaction history, tap on the Settings gear icon in the Transactions section. Select the option to download CSV or export. Choose the date range you want for the backup of your spending. Confirm your selection and wait for the file to download. Once downloaded, access your files to find your backup. Store this file in a secure location on your device or in the cloud. You have now backed up your Venmo credit spending successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.